What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So I'm just out right now. I got a 20-minute drive somewhere, so I was like, hey, let me throw on the GoPro real quick. You guys know how I am. Even if it's just a 5-6 minute video, I'm just gonna pump out content for you guys. I really enjoy putting out these videos, and honestly, it's not as hard to me as most people make it seem. Like, so many people are like, oh, I don't, oh my god, only Florida drivers. Look, pulls out in front, has no idea what he's doing. But yeah, typical Florida driver. But basically, I hope everyone's doing amazing. But yeah, I enjoy making these because they're just easy. It's fun. Like, you don't need to think too hard about it. You just film, upload. The only editing you really got to do is if, like, you know, I don't know, just to edit out personal things. If you go on your phone and like your bank's open, or like just small stuff like that, you just gotta do a quick little edit. But besides that, these videos are easy to make. Easy. So who wants some money inside this Brinks truck, man? Let me know. Yeah, man. These videos are so much fun because you could just, okay. They're fun because it just requires a little bit of editing, and you can literally just talk, play some music if you want. I don't know, it's just fun to me. And I'm probably gonna go to some meets very soon. I haven't been to any this summer, which is crazy when I think about it. Like, well, right now we're in July. When I upload this, it's probably gonna be sometime in August. But it's crazy, man. I haven't been to any meets, and it's already like July's about to be over. Today's the 30th, I think. Let me check. What's today? July 31st. See that? Today's July 31st, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, I at least want to go to some meets. I want to get some content for you guys. That's really what I want. You know, I really just want to get this content out, to be honest. Haven't been to any meets, and I don't know, I saw some other people who film POVs, and they showed like them going to different meets and things like that, and I was like, damn, I feel like I should be doing the same thing. So it's exactly what we're gonna do. Also, I know Cars and Coffee, I think their first, well, Cars and Coffee West Palm Beach, they're gonna be starting, I think it's September. Somebody told me, I completely forgot. But the guy I'm going to get a detail from, he told me the exact date. When I figure it out, I'll probably let you guys know. But I'll probably be at the Mint Echo car wash booth, so if you guys are there, definitely say what's up. If you don't see me, send me a DM, let me know you're by the booth, and I'll come by and say hi to you. That's pretty much the same thing I did last time, like, because I'm always going around Cars and Coffee to talk to people and stuff like that. So if I'm not near the car at the booth, then just send me a DM. Plenty of people did that, actually. They sent me a DM saying, yo, Corey, I'm by the car, and they all took a picture of the car, like, hey man, I'm here, and let me know if you're around. So if you guys are going to Cars and Coffee, just let me know, and I'll be sure to say what's up to you guys. And also send me a DM if anything. Like, I'm not Hollywood like all these other people. I don't know why people think just because they have a nice car that now you can't respond to DMs, or you think you're too cool. Like, nah, like, that'll never be me, ever. I can have a Bugatti and I'ma still be answering DMs and still being the same person I was yesterday. So traffic today. Everybody's so ready to drive, bro. What does that say? Route survey? What the hell is that? Is that one of them Google cameras? What does that mean, route survey? I have never seen that before. What is a route survey? What the hell? What is that? Have you guys ever seen this before? Let me know in the comments. I really don't think I've ever seen a route survey like ever in my life. Route survey. Does it track like everybody? Pilot car service. What is that? You beside her guts, but I ain't bringing knife. Niggas want me go. I was just about to cut up crazy and I saw that cop right there in the corner of my eye. I was like, wait, what is that? Oh man. I'm about to just wait for the cop to get off and then I'm gonna do my little thing, but I need him to get off first though. Alright, he's finally off. Says she loving my shit, but she can't wait to put it in her mouth. I need a bitch that be down when shit goes south. I need a bitch who ain't gon' never tip my crown. Baby, get loose. Baby, get loose. I'm about to lose. I just need you. That was it fine. But what you gon' do when I get inside? When I get inside, my bitch, she a freak.
need you inside me. She like, bitch, can I push up? Ride you like a Harley. She like, bitch, can you be my joker? She tryna be my Harley. My bitch get good brain, like she way to.
So I'm probably gonna film. I'm probably gonna cut this up. I might cut it up into like multiple parts. So I'm probably gonna film some POV videos for you guys when I get off of here. So expect like a couple parts. This might be like part 2, part 3. So just expect these types of videos. Damn, people in the slow lane are going way, like, it's a thing to be cautious, but to go really slow is insane. Like, this type of slow could cause an accident. But yeah, I'm probably gonna split this up. So I'm gonna end this video and then I'm gonna split it up once I get down there. So everyone, please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.